Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify about food and beverages business. Easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So that's it. Now the first thing you have to do now, click here, enter your email and click start free trial. You can just skip all this if you want. Click here and click next. Now you can log in with whatever you want, Google or Facebook or whatever you want. Now wait a few seconds to build in this website. Now the first thing you have to do is click here online store and click themes. So here where you can change your theme if you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want, just click add and wait to install in the theme. Now when it's added, so just click here publish and click here. Wait a few seconds. Now here you can customize it. You can customize it on your home page. Click customize. So this is your home page. Now your theme is published on your home page. So here you have the, if you want to make it like a desktop like this, or if you want to make it like a mobile, or if you want to make it full screen. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this. Now you can design your website here from this. So first here you have the header, the announcements bar. So here you can change the color scheme. You can turn this on and show separator line. You can also turn this on and show icons on desktop. You can turn this on, announcements, auto rotate announcements. You can also enable country region selector if you want. You can also turn this on, enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcement. Here you can change it. You can change the text. Also, if you wanna search for something or if you wanna pass your link here, that's it. Now let's move on to the header. Here you have the, if you wanna change the desktop logo position, for example, you can make it top center or middle left or middle center. You can change the main menu. You can also change the desktop main menu type. You can change the sticky header. You can turn this on and show separator line. You can change the color scheme. You can turn this on. Also here you can enable the country and region selector. You can also enable the language selector. You can manage the spacing here, and you can also manage this section padding. Here if you want to add your social media links, you can add like a Twitter link or Facebook link or Pinterest or Instagram or YouTube or whatever you want here. Here you can add your logo from your library, or from, for example, you can add it from here, from search on it on browser. Just for example, food and beverages, logos, idea. So for example this. Just put it here and wait a few seconds to upload in. So this is your logo right now. You can change it if you want at any time you want. You can also edit it from here. You can add a text on the image or whatever you want. So here you can manage the desktop logo width or the vertical offset. So now let's move on to another thing. Here you find the slideshows. So the slideshows here you can change, you can manage the layout, you You can also manage the slide height. You can make it small or medium or large. You can change the pagination style. You can manage you can change the slide every. You can also manage the animations. So that's it. You can add, you can select an image. You can generate the heading here if you want. For example, just describe what this text is about. For example, food and beverages. And click here, generate, and it will be generated. For example, you can choose this. Here you can change the heading size. You can just click here, generate the text, and describe what this text is about, and click generate. So you can generate the subheading. You can also change the button label. You can change the the button the button link. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, first let's get some images from browser or from your library if you want. So for example, food. For example this. So that's it. Now if you wanna delete some sections, any section you want, just select it and click here remove. For example this, you can just click here remove section and it will be deleted. So that's it. Now let's move on to the featured collections. Here you can change the heading. You can generate another text, for example food or and beverages. You can change the heading size. You can add the description here. You can just generate it. So that's it. Now after you're done from design your website, after you design your footer section, now all you have to do is click here, save, and let's exit, and let's move on to another step. Now let's go to the home, and here you can name your store if you want. You can add your store phone. After you customize your online store, and after you add the custom domain, after you add your first products, after you share in your details or add your sharing details, now click here and name your store. So here you can just select any name you want, and you can here add your store phone. You can change your store email. That's it. Now let's save this. Now all you have to do is publish your website. You can launch it. Just click here launch, and you can publish it easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.